Hi, I'm Kevin Lester with Mr. Cabinet Care, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a Dovetail plywood drawer box. Alright, so this is an example of a full extension Dovetail plywood drawer box. So it's made with two glide systems, a tandem glide system, and so to take the drawer box out, we're going to touch on two releases right here. So underneath here, there are two quick release clips right here. So you squeeze both of these and the drawer comes out. So just to kind of show you what I was doing, these are the quick releases right here. So again, you're just going to squeeze these to the side and that releases it off the glide system right here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to put the drawer box back on the glide system. So you'll see there's a channel right here on the drawers on both sides. So what you'll do is put the drawer box on the glide system, balance it out, and then you're just going to snap the glide system onto each side. That, and you're back in business.
And that's how you install Dovetail drawer boxes. If you guys like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to us. It would really mean a lot. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.